Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of junior 1. Our today's topic is addition without carrying. My dear student, today is our lecture number 18 of annual term and today's SW number will be 17. So, my dear student, let us start our class. My dear student, today's topic is addition and our addition is without carrying. My dear student, please notice here 12 problems are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. In our lecture, we shall solve 1 to 6 number question and 7 to 12 number questions will be your SW and this is your SW number 17. So, let us start our class. Addition. So, number 1 here 250 plus 126. My dear student, it is 3 digit number, that means 250 is a 3 digit number and 126 is also 3 digit number. In 3 digit number, it has ones place, tens place and hundred place. My dear student, please notice it has ones place, tens place and hundred place. At first we add ones place digits, then we add tens place digit, after that we add hundred place digit. Now we shall solve. At first we add 1 place digit. Notice here 0 and 6. So, we add 0 and 6. 0 and 6 what? Notice 6. 6 means 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 means 6 sticks and 0. 0 means 0 sticks. So, that 6 plus 0 how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose you have 5 pencil. Your mother give you no pencil. So, how many pencils do you have now? You have 5 pencil only. So, we write 6 plus 0 equal to 6. I hope you have understood. Now, my dear student, we shall go to our next tens place digit. Here the digits are 5 and 2. 5 and 2. Notice 5 means 5 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next 2. 2 means how many stick? 2 means 2 stick. 1, 2. Now we count in total how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, if we add 5 with 2, then we get 7. So, we write 7 in tens place. My dear student, you must maintain STO, that means hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Okay. In ones place you write ones place digit, in tens place you write tens place digit and in hundred place you write hundred place digit. So, our tens place digit is done. Next we shall do addition of hundred place digit. Here 2 and 1. So, 2 means 2 sticks. 2 means how many sticks? 2 sticks. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And ones means 1 stick. Now, we count how many sticks are there. 1, 2 and 3. So, we write 3. So, 376 is the answer. That means, if we add 250 with 126, then we get 376 and it is the required answer. After completing your solution, you must write answer. Here answer is 376. My dear student, next we shall solve our next question. Here next question is 215 plus 224. As usual, at first we add ones place digit. Here ones place digits are 5 and 4. So, at first we draw a stick. 5 means 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 stick. Then 4 means 4 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we count in total how many sticks are there. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many sticks are there in the table? Sorry, in the board there are 9 sticks. So I write 9 here. Okay. So ones place digits is done. Next we shall solve our next places, that means tens place digit. Here tens place digit are 1 and 2. 1 means 1 stick and 2 means 2 sticks. 1 and 2. Now we count how many sticks are there. 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 sticks. Now we write 3 here. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall go to our next places, that means 100 place. Here 100 place 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, that means 2 means 2 sticks and 2 means 2 sticks. Now we count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 sticks. So I write 4. So our solution is done. That means if we add 5 with 4, then we get 9. If we get 2 with 1, then we get 3. If we add 2 with 2, then we get 4. So we get 439 and it is the answer. You must write answer, otherwise some marks is deducted from your answer script. So question number 2 is done. Next we shall solve question number 3. Okay, notice here question number 3 is 353. 353 plus 123. We add now. First we add ones place digit. Here ones place digit are 3 and 3. So at first we draw a stick. 3 means 3 stick. 1, 2 and 3. And another 3 means 3 stick. 1, 2 and 3. Now notice how many sticks are there in the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we add 3 with 3, then we get 6. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall go to our next place, that means tens place. Here we add 5 with 2. If we add 5 with 2, then we get what? So for 5 we draw 5 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For 2 we draw 2 sticks. 1, 2. Now you notice how many sticks are there. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we add 5 with 2, then we get 7 and it is the addition of 5 with 2. Okay my dear students. Next 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 3 and 1. 3 means 3 sticks and 1 means 1 stick. If we count, 3 means 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3 and 1 means 1 stick. Then how many sticks are there? Notice there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sticks. So we write 4 here. Okay. So 3 and 3, 6, 5, 2, 7, 3 on 4. That means if we add 353 with 123, then we get 476 and it is the required answer. Okay. Next 4 number question. Here 451 plus 127. My dear students, at first we add the ones place digit. Here ones place digit are 1 and 7. For this reason, for 1 we draw 1 stick. Notice 1 stick. And for 7 we draw 7 stick. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now we add how many sticks are there on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means if we add 7 with 1, then we get 8. I hope you have understood. Now we add 5 with 2. My dear student, notice 5 means 5 stick. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We erase this to 1. That means 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 2 means 2 stick. Here 1 sticks and another stick is here. That means 2 stick. If we add, then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means if we add 5 with 2, then we get 7. Okay. And our last place, that means 100 place, 4 with 1. So first of all we draw 4 stick. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 sticks erase. That means 4 sticks left. Here 4 means 4 stick and 1 means 1 stick. Now we add. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means if we add 4 with 1, then we get 5. Now check please. 7 plus 1 8, 5 plus 2 7, 4 and 5. So 578 is the answer. Okay. I hope you have understood. Now we shall go to question number 5. Here you notice, here 5 and 2. 5 and 2, at first we add 5 with 2. That means if we add 5 with 2, for this reason at first we draw 5 stick. Here 4 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and another stick. This is called 5 sticks. And 2 means 2 sticks. Now we add in total. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means if we add 5 with 2, then we get 7. My dear student, now we add 0 with 0. If we add 0 with 0, then we get 0. Okay. Now again 7 sticks plus 1 stick. That means 7 plus 1. What? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 7 we draw 7 sticks. Okay. Now notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1 sticks erase. That means here 7 stick, here 1 sticks. Add how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and another one 8. So there are 8 sticks. Now we check 5 to 7, 0 plus 0, 7 on 8. So 807 is the required answer. I hope you have understood. And our last one, my dear student, notice here 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 what? 3 means 3 stick and 1 means 1 stick. Now we count how? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we add 3 with 1, then we get 4. Okay. After that 5 with 2. Here 3 sticks. To make 5 stick, 2 sticks need 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 means 2 stick, 1, 2. Now we count how many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means if we add 5 with 2, then we get 7. Okay. Now we add 2 with 1. Here 2 means 2 stick and 1 means 1 stick. Now we count how many? 1, 2 and 3. That means if we add 2 with 1, then we get 3. So my dear students, 374 is the answer. That means if we add 253 with 121, then we get 374. Now we write answer 374. My dear student, question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 will be your SW. Here 126 plus 411 equal what? 444 plus 222. Question number 9, 338 plus 341. 300 plus 500. Question number 11, 261 plus 225. Question number 12, 541 plus 234. My dear student, this is your SW. You must do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.